Good morning, everybody. This is Tony from the Sunday School Store, and I'm here to show you a new project I've been working on. And since I started ministry to children 15 years ago, we've always been trying to innovate and find the easy to teach lesson format that's going to make the most sense for small churches, because that's really our heart. We want to serve small churches with teachers who are struggling to find time to prepare, struggling to find budget to pay for curriculum. So I think what we've got now is going to be a real blessing to a lot of churches. So let me share that with you. So this is a look at the new website. It's called Sunday School Plus. And what this is a weekly subscription service where you get a brand new lesson plan that's easy to teach, ready to go, print and teach, very simple to do. But it's also got a backup option for each month, because we know not every week you want to follow the lectionary lesson, or there might be months when you want to take a break. So we're adding a whole second themed unit each month in addition to the dated lessons. And then there's also a cool community feature that I'm going to demo. But let's take a look at the lesson plans first. These are the lessons, you're familiar with them from the Sunday School Store, but we have them available in NIV, ESV, and King James. So let's take a look. You click on those, you get a little preview here. You can watch the videos of the object lesson, a video of the craft, a Bible story videos, an alternate Bible story video. And simply you download this, you print it, and you're ready to go. So each week you have a Bible lesson based on the church calendar, typically the gospel reading, sometimes the Old Testament for variety. You get an object lesson, you get games and activities. Obviously, this is going to be more than you do in any one setting. Main Bible teaching, craft activities, and you can watch the video where Kristen breaks down the craft, or you can simply print this sheet and work through it. A Bible memory verse for the week, coloring page for the week, crossword puzzle for the week. It's basically everything you want if you're in a small church trying to have this mixed group of children in your Sunday school every week, and it's ready to go. But one cool feature is the community feature, where we've added in a complete community module to this, where you can connect with other teachers who are using the same lessons through chat. You can leave suggestions for us and give us feedback as you work through these lessons. We have a prayer room where we're going to encourage people to come and share their hearts with one another and pray for one another. And there's some cool features we're not yet rolling out yet, but we plan to. There's challenges. There's online Zoom meetups like this where we can just talk with one another about the lessons or about just anything that's on your mind. And back to the home, we have May, and then we have a lesson backup. And so the backup here is 52 weeks of these Bible lessons in previous weeks before we built the website. So these are all gathered together in a Dropbox. So if you click on the NIV, you'll simply see 52 weeks of Bible lessons from before. So we've been doing these Bible lessons for quite a while in this format, but we're just now putting them in this new website for you guys. Sunday School Plus, it's a new program, it's a new website. It's a membership website. It's going to start at $9 a month. So we're going to make it super affordable for anybody in children's. So this is going to be a real blessing to a lot of churches. So hopefully you'll check it out. Leave me some comments and feedback, and I'll see you on the other side.